Do you have wrinkles? Do you want to not have wrinkles? Do you want to get rid of your wrinkles? I do. I decided to try this Roc Retinol. It's supposed to be a wrinkle removal or wrinkle care treatment. Kim Townsel, welcome back to my channel. It's free to like, subscribe, leave a comment, share the video, leave a comment below if you found a retinol or wrinkle cream or wrinkle product that has been effective for you, or even one that hasn't, so that we can all become better consumers. Let me share my experience with the Roc. I've actually tried a few products over the past several months. I've used to use Tazerac, and I was running out of that, so I tried Differin. I have a video about Differin. I also tried the Roc, which is this video, and then I'm also currently trying a Neutrogena product. So I'm exploring my options for my aging skin and trying to find something that's cost effective and that works. This is before I started using the Roc Retinol product, and my skin is pretty bad. It has a lot of sun damage on it and a lot of like old acne scars, I guess is the best way to say it. Please excuse my hair. And I have no makeup on, no product on my face, and you can see that I have a lot of redness, a lot of splotchiness. When I used the Tazerac, it helped to clear up a lot of this, but I wish I had started using it years before. But the Roc Retinol Correxion was the strongest and most widely recommended product that I could find that was over the counter, so I thought I'm going to give it a try. This is the package for the Roc, I guess it is. It comes in a nice little plastic thing to display it. Fairly nice sized container. Looks like it's going to last me for a long time. Let's look at some of the package details. It is a retinol product, and it's a serum type product, so it's not going to be like a thick cream that goes on your skin and just sits on top of it. It does go in, it dries fast, and doesn't leave like a residue on the skin. It's supposed to be clinically proven to reduce deep wrinkles. Here's an overview of the entire package, and then we're going to take a deeper dive into the back part. It promises clinical testing results that after 4 weeks your skin's going to be more radiant and fine lines are smooth. And after 8 weeks you're supposed to have even more visible results, and then again after 12 weeks. And the product did last me far longer than 12 weeks. Here is some more information on the side about the product. And Roc is a company that has been doing skincare for over 50 years. It's a French company, and they tell you that you can use it twice a day or once a day on clean, dry skin. And be sure you use a sunscreen if you go outside, because it does make your skin a little bit more sensitive. There's some ingredients in there, and again there's the sunburn alert. But it has a lot of information on the outside of the package, and then also here's the manufacturer's information as well, and also the Roc website. It took a little bit more than what I showed you to do my eye and my neck. The bottle seems to be like a glass or ceramic bottle. It has a little cap that will go back on the top of it, and it has a really nice smell, and the product went in my skin absorb fairly quickly. These are the two products I'll be using at night. I'm using the Roc on my eyes and my neck, and I'm using the Differin gel instead of the Tazerac on my skin on my face. They won't overlap. This is 3 days in using the Roc on my eyes and neck only. I apologize for my eyebrows. I had just dyed them so they look a little weird. I have a video up about how I do that. This is about 3 weeks in with the Roc only on the neck and the eyes. I ended up liking the way the Roc did so much that I actually used it all over my face and quit using the Differin for a little while. I really like this product, and it doesn't pump anymore, so it's indicating that it's out. But I unscrewed the lid, and there's still a lot of product left in there. It's just not coming up through the pump. It's a glass bottle, so I can't cut it like I normally do. But I'm going to put some water in here and shake it up and pump out what I can and just pour it out on my hands, because this is a pretty good product. It's not as good as the Tazerac that I normally buy. It's not as strong as Tazerac, which is a prescription thing that I use for my face, which has been the best thing I've ever done for my face, but it makes it break out and peel. It does handle the adult acne. And this is much milder on my face, but it does work. And it's much cheaper. The Tazerac runs anywhere from $300 to $600 depending. And I think this was like maybe 19 bucks, 25, something like that at the grocery store or department store, and it lasted a fairly long time. I added some Dasani water in because our tap water is not really very pure, and I shook it up. So I think I'm going to have no problem pumping it tonight when I put some on my face, and that'll give me at least a few more nights of use of this. It'll be a little milder. It won't be quite as strong, I'm sure. But actually, after I wash my face, I'll leave my face wet and then put this on there, because I found out with a Tazerac that it actually works better if my skin is damp, because it tells you to put it on dry skin. So I'm thinking, okay, I bet it activates by water, and it did. So I'm using this pretty runny anyway. Maybe that's why it's lasted so long for me. But I'm pro this. I have found no negatives to the Roc Retinol Correxion Deep Wrinkle Serum. I found nothing that I didn't like about it, so I highly recommend it. And I'm sorry I don't have better pictures to show you about, you know, the improvements on my skin and stuff like that. It was just hard to get that over time. I added water into the Roc and shook it up, and so it made it about runny like that. And that's what I've been putting on my face for the past week or so. And it's about empty. I think my skin is smoother than it was on the different. It doesn't have as many breakouts, but it's also oilier. It's also much oilier. It doesn't have as many breakouts, but it's oilier. I would probably say over this or different, I would recommend probably the Roc instead of the different. I think that it did more for my skin than the different did, and probably the cost is about the same. So I'm going to try something else for the next month or two, depending on how long it lasts, and report back on that. This is 4 months in with the Roc all over my face, and I'm very happy with this product. It goes on very smoothly, it blends in, it dries quickly, it smells great. I have absolutely no side effects or anything bad about this product. Check the end cards to see my reviews of other products that I've tried similar to this one. Take care of our skin. It does a lot for us. It really kind of keeps us together. Thanks for watching my video about the Roc Deep Wrinkle Serum. I really did like that. It's an affordable alternative to a lot of products that are out there on the market. Remember, it's free to like, subscribe, share the video if appropriate, because I bet you do know some people who can benefit from this product. Leave a comment below if you have something to say about this product or another one that I should try. And until next time, take care of your skin. It's the only piece of skin we're going to get, so we might as well take care of it. It holds everything together. It holds all of our physical stuff together. It's kind of a miracle, isn't it? Bye.